Top 3 best rice you must eat to flush out toxins and repair kidney fast. What if I told you the rice you eat every day could be quietly helping your kidneys clean out toxins or slowly making them work harder without you even noticing? Most people never think twice about the rice on your plate. They just eat it because it's familiar. But the truth is, different types of rice affect your kidneys in very different ways. Some can support natural detox while others add extra stress over time. And the scary part is you don't feel it right away. No pain, no warning signs. It happens slowly in the background. In this video, I'm going to break down the top 3 best types of rice you should be eating if you want to help flush out toxins and support kidney repair, including one type that many people already have at home, but almost always use the wrong way. Number 1, white rice. White rice is one of the most misunderstood foods in modern nutrition. The moment people hear the word white, they often assume it is unhealthy, empty, or even harmful. Over time, white rice has been labeled as something to avoid, especially by people trying to eat clean or protect their health. 4. Those diagnosed with kidney problems, many remove it immediately, believing they are making the safest possible choice. But what if avoiding white rice is actually making daily life harder for the body instead of easier? When it comes to kidney health, white rice plays a very different role than most people realize. Unlike brown rice or whole grains, white rice is milled during processing. This milling removes the outer layers that contain most of the potassium and phosphorus. As a result, white rice becomes very low in both of these minerals. This single fat changes how the body responds to it. Now, especially for people whose kidneys are already under pressure for stressed or weakened kidneys, excess potassium and phosphorus can be difficult to handle. When these minerals build up in the bloodstream, the kidneys must work harder to filter and balance them. Over time, this extra workload can increase fatigue, swelling, and physical discomfort. White rice, because of its low mineral content, may help reduce that burden. It provides usable energy without forcing the kidneys to process heavy mineral loads over and over again. Another reason white rice is often included in kidney-friendly diets is digestion. White rice is gentle on the stomach and easy to break down. For people who feel bloated, weak, or constantly tired, heavy foods can drain energy quickly and slow the digestive system. When digestion becomes smoother, the body can redirect energy toward essential functions, including waste removal, fluid balance, and internal stability. Sometimes simpler foods allow the body to work more efficiently. Many doctors and health organizations recommend white rice as a base food for people with kidney concerns, not because it is perfect or complete, but because it is predictable, light, and easy for the body to tolerate. It delivers calories and comfort without overwhelming sensitive systems. However, this is also where white rice is commonly misunderstood. It is not meant to stand alone. White rice only works when it is used correctly. Eating large amounts of plain white rice every day without balance is not the solution. White rice is low in fiber and lacks many vitamins on its own. That means it should never be the only food on your plate for long periods of time. Instead, white rice should be viewed as a clean, neutral foundation that supports other nourishing foods. Preparation also matters. Rinsing white rice several times before cooking helps remove excess starch, making it lighter and easier to digest. Cooking it with more water and draining the excess can further reduce heaviness. Avoid heavy sauces, salty seasonings, or processed flavorings that increase sodium and place additional stress on the kidneys. Simple preparation is often the most supportive approach. Pairing white rice with kidney-friendly foods makes a significant difference. Steamed vegetables, boiled greens, garlic, onion, fresh herbs, and small portions of lean protein can turn a simple bowl of rice into a balanced, supportive meal. These combinations provide nourishment, flavor, and comfort without adding unnecessary strain to the body. So, white rice is not the enemy many people believe it to be. Like many foods, its value depends on how it is used. When eaten with intention, balance, and proper preparation, white rice can be a gentle, reliable source of energy. For some people especially, those protecting their kidneys, it can be part of a calm and sustainable way of eating, one that allows the body to rest, adapt, and function more smoothly over time. Number 2. Basmati rice. Basmati rice is widely regarded as one of the safest and most balanced rice options for people who want to enjoy meals without overburdening their kidneys. Many people assume that once kidney problems appear, all rice should be avoided. However, basmati rice offers an exception. When chosen carefully and prepared correctly, it can fit in seamlessly into a kidney-conscious diet, providing energy and comfort without adding unnecessary stress. Basmati is a long-grain rice known for its aroma and naturally light, fluffy texture. It comes in white and brown varieties, but the white version is especially relevant for kidney-friendly diets because white basmati is mill. Much of the potassium and phosphorus in the outer layers is removed. This lowers its mineral content, meaning the kidneys are not forced to process high levels of these minerals at once. For individuals managing kidney strain, this difference can make everyday meals easier and more comfortable. One of the standout features of basmati rice is its low glycemic index. Compared to many other white rice varieties, basmati releases glucose into the bloodstream more slowly. This helps prevent sharp spikes in blood sugar, which is important for kidney function. Consistent blood sugar levels reduce the risk of damage to tiny blood vessels, including those in the kidneys. For people managing both kidney concerns and blood sugar levels, this property gives basmati rice a meaningful advantage. Basmati rice also provides energy in a gentle and sustained way. Its slower digestion compared to standard white rice allows the body to maintain steady energy levels. This reduces feelings of heaviness after meals and helps prevent sudden insulin responses. When digestion works smoothly, the kidneys do not need to compensate for metabolic stress. Instead, they can on maintaining fluid balance and filtering waste efficiently. Basmati rice naturally encourages portion control. Its aroma and fluffy texture makes smaller servings feel satisfying, which helps limit potassium and phosphorus intake, even when brown basmati is included occasionally. This balance makes basmati rice an ideal choice for sustainable long-term eating habits rather than a short-term or restrictive diet. Proper preparation maximizes its benefits. Rinsing the grains thoroughly removes excess starch, helping the rice remain light and fluffy. Cooking it in plenty of water also contributes to a softer texture that is easier to digest. Heavy oils, rich sauces, and excessive salt should be avoided as these can increase sodium intake and reduce its kidney-friendly properties. White basmati rice pairs well with mild kidney-friendly ingredients. Steamed vegetables, boiled greens, and lean proteins such as fish or skinless chicken complement the rice without adding excess stress. Herbs, garlic, and onion can enhance flavor. This approach emphasizes simplicity and balance rather than restrictive diets. For those seeking more fiber without overwhelming the kidneys, combining a small portion of brown basmati with white can be practical. It adds texture and nutrients while keeping potassium moderate. Over time, this supports digestion, helps stabilize blood sugar, and reduces dietary stress on the kidneys. Small adjustments in meal preparation can have a meaningful impact on comfort and long-term health. It is important to note that basmati rice is not a cure and does not promise dramatic results alone. However, when used thoughtfully, it becomes a reliable foundation for kidney-conscious meals. It allows people to enjoy familiar foods without fear, provides steady energy, and fits naturally into a sustainable routine. For those protecting kidney health, while maintaining quality of life, basmati rice is a simple yet effective choice. It keeps meals flavorful, satisfying, and light on the body, supporting overall wellness day after day. When considering a kidney-friendly diet, basmati rice can serve as the base for countless meal combinations. Pairing it with lightly cooked vegetables, herbs, and small portions of lean protein allows for diverse, enjoyable meals without increasing kidney stress. By consistently choosing simple, wholesome ingredients alongside basmati rice, individuals can maintain energy, support digestion, and enjoy meals that feel nourishing rather than burdensome. Over time, this approach fosters a sustainable eating pattern aligned with kidney health, showing that comfort, flavor, and well-being can coexist at every meal. If you or a loved one is experiencing kidney health problems, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss important information that can help protect your kidneys every day. And if you have any questions or concerns related to kidney health, please leave a comment and I will share more in future videos. Number 3. Jasmine rice. Jasmine rice is often overlooked when people talk about kidney-friendly foods. Many assume that all white rice is the same or that any type of rice should be avoided when kidney health becomes a concern. But jasmine rice, when used correctly, can play a gentle and supportive role in a balanced diet. Its unique texture, aroma, and nutritional profile make it easier on the body than many people expect. Jasmine rice is a long-grain rice traditionally consumed in its white form. Because it is much of the potassium and phosphorus found in the outer layers is removed. This naturally keeps jasmine rice lower in these minerals compared to whole grain varieties. For kidneys that are already working harder than normal, this difference matters. Lower mineral intake can help reduce unnecessary strain and make daily meals more manageable. One reason jasmine rice is so well tolerated is its soft, slightly sticky texture when cooked. This texture makes it easier to chew and digest, especially for people who feel weak, bloated, or tired. Easier digestion means the body spends less energy breaking down food and more energy maintaining balance. When digestion runs smoothly, the kidneys are not pushed to work harder than they need to. There is also an important point many people misunderstand about jasmine rice and blood sugar. Jasmine rice does not have a low glycemic index. In fact, it is considered moderate to high. However, this does not automatically make it harmful. The effect of jasmine rice on blood sugar depends heavily on how it is eaten. When consumed in small portions and paired with vegetables, healthy fats, or lean protein, its impact on blood sugar can be softened. Stable blood sugar is important because frequent spikes can stress blood vessels over time, including those that support kidney function. Another advantage of jasmine rice is its versatility. It works well as a simple base for kidney-conscious meals. You can combine it with lightly steamed vegetables, boiled greens, or small portions of lean protein such as fish or chicken. Mild herbs, garlic, or onion can add flavor without adding excessive sodium. Heavy sauces, fried toppings, and processed seasonings should be avoided as they can cancel out the benefits of an otherwise gentle meal. How jasmine rice is prepared also makes a meaningful difference. Rinsing the rice several times before cooking helps remove excess surface starch. Cooking it with slightly more water than usual allows the grains to soften fully, making them easier to digest. The goal is rice that is fluffy, aromatic, and tender, not heavy or dense. Eating slowly and mindfully further supports digestion and helps prevent overeating. Portion size is another key factor. Because jasmine rice is aromatic and satisfying, smaller servings often feel enough. A modest portion paired with vegetables and protein can provide energy without overwhelming the body. This balance is especially important for people who need to manage fluid levels, mineral intake, or digestive comfort. Jasmine rice can also be combined with other low-potassium grains in small amounts to add variety and texture. Mixing it occasionally with white basmati rice or a small portion of wild rice can keep meals interesting while staying within kidney-friendly guidelines. Variety helps people maintain consistency without feeling restricted. When used mindfully, jasmine rice becomes more than just a familiar staple. It becomes a supportive component of a calm and sustainable eating pattern. It does not promise cures or quick fixes, but it can help reduce dietary stress, support digestion, and make daily meals feel lighter and more enjoyable. 4. People focused on protecting kidney health, jasmine rice can be a practical, comforting choice that fits naturally into a balanced lifestyle. Your kidneys don't heal overnight, but what you eat every single day decides whether they keep getting weaker or slowly repair themselves. These 3 types of rice aren't trends or miracle foods. They work because they reduce toxin load, support natural filtering, and give your kidneys less stress to deal with. When you choose the right rice, your kidneys don't have to fight as hard anymore. Start small. Replace just one meal. Stay consistent. Over time, your body will thank you in ways you can actually feel: better energy, less swelling, and a cleaner system from the inside out. If you want to keep learning what truly helps weak kidneys and what silently damages them, subscribe now and watch the next video on your